Thompson. Easiest. Okay, so I'll play Ragtime Raggles from John Thompson's Part 1. Easiest piano course. So, 4/4 time signature. 4 counts for every measure. 1, 2, 3, 4.